Back to school is almost here, which is perfect timing for me to make this video. Today, I'm going to show you the top 6 back-to-school products. Pencils are always in demand, especially among students, teachers, and organizations. Made from sustainably sourced wood, these natural, unprocessed products are easy and safe to engrave, and they even release a delightful pencil scent. Personalizing them with your brand or website makes for an affordable marketing tool. For added value, consider offering them in beautifully crafted packaging. This ruler is made of high-quality metal, with a smooth and delicate surface that showcases excellent craftsmanship and engraving effects. It is perfect for schools or organizations as a custom-made gift, such as engraving the names of teachers or students, which not only demonstrates practicality but also holds great commemorative. A pen holder is a very practical stationery storage item, which you can place on your desk, office, or study space. Choosing a unique pen holder for laser engraving can greatly enhance the personalization of your work environment. This bamboo pen holder is not only beautiful and elegant, but also the engraving is simple and quick, both practical and able to show personal taste. Metal luggage tags are another great back-to-school product for laser engraving. Not only are they durable, they can also be customized with different patterns and texts based on the needs of the customer. Whether it's a school name, a band logo, or personal contact information, it can be easily achieved. While erasers and notebooks may not be the most intuitive objects to laser engrave, you will find that they can also be engraved with unique effects through experimentation. Especially using infrared lasers, you can engrave clear patterns on erasers, and notebook covers can also be personalized. Almost forgot, pens are also a very good laser engraving object. Choosing a laser processable pen and engraving it with your brand or personalized information will make it a unique gift or souvenir. The above are the top 6 back-to-school laser engraving products recommended for everyone. Share your favorite laser engraved items in the comment area. Let's communicate and learn together.